come on then. Let's put you through your paces. Show us what you're made of. Hey! Brave little beggar. Are they? It's an exquisite reptile. This is a rare find indeed. Help me! Get your bag off! They're away. We've lost them.
In prehistoric China, Nigel's stumped. There's still no sign of the microraptor.
This is breathtaking stuff, but you never see them flap their wings. This isn't powered flight, but they are superb gliders. It's a great way to keep above ground predators, a great way to cover vast areas looking for food. I wonder where they're going. Unless they tread on you. But the strange thing is, big animals like that, you wouldn't normally find them in dense forests. So I don't know what they're doing here. And they are magnificent. Listen to them crashing through the vegetation. Those titanosaurs can weigh over 20 tons. It takes a lot to stop them. And look at the mess that they leave behind. They turn over the earth, and the footprint is full of creatures. Look at this. Loads of earthworms there, a big beetle grub, and there, a primitive cricket. And I wonder if all this food explains what's going on. Look up there. When the dinosaurs move through the forest, they turn over the soil, trample on wood, and then the microraptors feast on the insects. It's just like birds on a ploughed field. Watching a dozen. Microraptors really don't disappoint. They're so strange and peculiar. A species that will soon become extinct unless we can get some back to Prehistoric Park.